In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age from date of birth in Microsoft Excel. To do this accurately in Excel, the most suitable function to use is DataDiff. This function is helpful because it calculates the difference between two dates and can return the result in completed years, which is exactly what you need when working out someone's age. Before entering the formula, make sure your data table is set up properly. Good formatting is important because Excel needs to recognize your values correctly in order to calculate the result without errors. If the dates are not formatted as real dates, the formula may not work as expected. Start by checking the cells that contain the dates of birth. These cells must be formatted as date. That tells Excel to treat those entries as dates instead of plain text. Next, check the cells where you want the ages to appear. Those result cells should be formatted as number, since the age will be returned as a numeric value. Once your table is ready, click the cell where you want the calculated age to appear. Type an equal sign and then enter DataDiff. This begins the formula. Now, the function needs three pieces of information. First, Excel needs the starting date, which in this case is the date of birth. Click the date of birth cell, such as B3, and then type a comma. After that, Excel needs the ending date, which will be today's date. To enter today's date dynamically, type today and add an opening and closing bracket. Using the today function is a smart choice because it keeps the formula current. That means the age will automatically update as time passes, without you needing to manually edit the formula. If you ever need to calculate age based on a different date instead of the current date, you can place that date in a separate cell and refer to that cell in the formula, just like you did with the date of birth. But if you want the age as of today, leave the today function in place and continue. Next, type another comma and add Y in quotation marks. This tells Excel to return the number of completed years between the birth date and today's date. Then close the bracket and press enter. Excel will now display the age in years. To apply the same formula to the rest of the rows, move your cursor to the corner of the result cell and drag the formula down to the other cells. Excel will automatically adjust the references for each row, and that's it. You now have a simple and reliable way to calculate age from date of birth in Microsoft Excel.